welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today because we are going to be doing an unboxing and a try on. And I was kind of excited for this. I know I said I wasn't going to buy anything from this Colourpop collection, but we both know I just say things sometimes. And that's what happened here. I already opened it. I mean, I cut it, but let's open it. This is the box. Of course, it says Colourpop. It's adorable. Packaging is amazing. Never have I ever received anything from Colourpop that came damaged. And I really hope this is no exception. And we have a Colourpop card, my order slip. Oh my gosh, look, it says, "You make me melt." Oh my, this is perfect on account of like, it's still on a good day, 103 degrees outside. Thank you, Arizona. And that's it. This, also greatly packaged, is the item that I purchased from the Colourpop Candyland, or excuse me, Colourpopland collaboration. Aren't they cute? They are called the FEELIN Plumpy Face Milk Kit. Is there just 3? I thought there was 4. I think there's just, oh no, there's 3. It says right here, watermelon, papaya, and coconut. Look how cute. Oh, thank you. I mean, I guess it's technically not like Colourpop because it's 4th Ray Beauty, but whatever. You know what I mean. These are glass. Oh, we're fancy. Check out this packaging though. Isn't that cute? Most of it's pretty matte except for a little bit of the designs here. And then the letters, those are glossy and raised. Very nice. And then throughout the box as well. On the back, no exception. I used to love Candyland when I was little. Like 2nd, 3rd grade. That was a beast. And if you haven't noticed, there's nothing on my face right now because we're gonna open this bad boy up and put it on. We'll see which ones I want to put on here. Again, there is watermelon, papaya, and coconut. None of which I have, but I wanted to get watermelon. Coconut sounds good. We're gonna take them out and smell them. That's it. That's the whole box. Cute box, honestly, but nothing really to save the packaging on. Most of the stuff I get from Colourpop, I really just want to save the packaging. For example, cactus blossoms from the Wild Nothing collection. Still keep the box, keep everything in the box because that is cute packaging. I don't care if that's what I see every day. That is cute packaging. Hey. No. Any hoozle. Coconut, watermelon, papaya. What does papaya smell like? Like, I'm pretty sure I've had it. Maybe. Oh, little fella. Oh, little dropper. Oh, that is sweet. My goodness. Oh, that is really sweet. Super fruity, very sweet. Wow. And it's thick too, so. Okay. Okay. Coconut next. I like me some coconutty. Not all the time, most of the time. This is actually pretty light coconut. Wow. With as hard as they went with the papaya, I honestly thought they were gonna go strong for this one too. But no. Like, mixing it up and doing one of these numbers. No, it's still very light. It's very sweet though. So it's not like your normal like coconut smell. If that kind of makes sense. I know it doesn't because I'm trying to make sense to myself and it's not right now. But that's what it smells like. Mildly coconutty. Mildly sweet coconutty. So that's good. And then the one I was waiting for, watermelon. Boom. Oh, and I just noticed this. On all 3 of these, it says Colourpopland on the top of them. How adorable is that? Oh, shut the front door. Onto watermelon. I'm gonna shake this one first because I want to get the whole experience. Dropper. Oh, that is nice. It is so subtle. Just like the coconut, it is subtle. Oh, this is going on my face. I know what you're thinking. This is going on my face. This might too. The papaya though, I think it's a little too sweet for me. Yeah, it's like bam in your face. I need to re-explore the in real life fruit papaya so I can determine if that's what this is and what I should be expecting. Anywho, how am I doing this? We're gonna mix. And I know you're just supposed to use, it says here on the side, the routine: apply 2 to 3 drops into your palms, warm between hands, and gently press into skin. Use as needed. We'll start there. How about that? We'll start with a little dropper. 1, 2, 3, because I have a big head. And then I'm gonna warm. That's nice. Yeah, I think my hands absorbed all of it though. They are dry. Yeah. Okay, that was good. I'm gonna need a few more drops though. 1, 2, 3. I want to do 4. That like control freak in me wants to be like even numbers. No, we're not. Wow. I mean, after a minute here, it kind of loses the watermelon smell, and it's really just pretty sweet. If I didn't know this was watermelon I was putting on, I wouldn't have guessed it, but still very nice. And it feels great on my skin. It just soaked it up. I'm gonna do the top half. Coconut. Coconutty. Darn those catchy kids movies. But this one is going to be the same before I open it. The routine is apply 2 to 3 drops into your palms, warm between hands, and gently press into your skin. Use as needed. Right there. Three, because I have a big head. We talked about this. This one still keeps like the subtle hint of coconut in there though. Still very sweet, but a little bit of coconutty. So we got pros and cons here. I mean, I feel like if I would have used the papaya, it would have been less papaya and more sweet, and then I would have been hungry. That's it. So I mean, all of them are pretty good winners. I mean, I like them all. I gotta say, that coconut though, taking it home for the win. Come on, you know it was good. Anyway, did you guys pick anything up from the Colourpopland collection, the Candyland times Colourpop collection? I honestly was not going to. Didn't think about it, just because I have been purchasing something from every launch that they've had, and it's been about every 2 weeks. Cause like, bam, come payday, they're like, hey, you got money in the bank? We got a collection. It was just, come here, come here, come here. And then there goes all my money. It's not the healthiest relationship, but I love it. I love it. I have so much Colourpop stuff, honestly. My face looks so nice. Let me know if you guys picked anything from the collection. I'm just admiring this like glow I have going on here. I didn't really care for the palette. I kind of wanted to get the lippies, but then I'm like, I already have so many lippies. What am I supposed to do? Like, I have the jumbo box of crayon lippies somewhere. I mean, I wouldn't mind if Colourpop sponsored me. Then I wouldn't have to buy anything. They would just send me everything in PR. And then all my videos would be Colourpop. And that's not a bad thing. I mean, not from this perspective anyway. I have all that makeup. And so much money in the bank. Still. Anyway, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We do this every Thursday, Sunday. I will catch you next time. Yeah. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.